question of how to buy BNQ with Convert has a simple answer. To embark on the journey of acquiring BNQ through BitNasdaq Convert, follow these steps. Make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet for the Convert trade. Access your BitNasdaq account securely by visiting the official website and entering your credentials. Located in the header of the platform, click on the Trade button to open a drop-down menu with various options. Within the drop-down menu, find and click on the Convert option. This will open BitNasdaq's specialized trading interface designed for conversions. From the available options, select USDT to convert into BNQ. Confirm your selection by clicking on the Convert button. This action will initiate the process of converting your chosen cryptocurrency to BNQ. BitNasdaq will present a final transcript summarizing the details of your conversion. Take a moment to review this information and ensure its accuracy. If you are satisfied with the details presented, click on the Confirm button to execute the conversion. This step will confirm and finalize the process. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased BNQ with BitNasdaq Convert. Your crypto conversion to BNQ is now complete. BitNasdaq, your trusted partner in the world of crypto.